Could they enter inside True Talk for radio today when they talk about lateness? I go tell you about things we don't happen because somebody know day where is supposed to day on time. Where you day for the matter of lateness? You always day late? You never day late, or sometimes you day late. Good afternoon. Anyway, back to the matter where we carry come today. When they talk about lateness today. Again, some people will be saying today late don't turn to sickness with the deep inside of their body. Are you one of them? Today, I would like you to choose one group where you day inside. I don't divide this lateness into three. Group one, those where they always late to church, late to mosque, late to work, late to school, late to wedding reception, late to invitation, late to motor park to enter bus, late to catch flight, late to meeting, late to every single thing. We get time on top. Those people know sabi how to manage time. They always start from beginning of the day now, so then they rush, then go stop from inside hold up enter Okada because they don't hold them, they don't come out house on time. They go finish here, still they remember say they rush, then be like mad people throughout the day. Oh God, I don't forget. I suppose don't day first stack. What thing they do here? Oh God, how go tell reach Oshodi now? I don't forget I suppose meet somebody. Their whole day they scatter from morning. So we get group one, people where they always late. Group two, people where they sometimes late. Then group three, people where they never ever late. So I tell you now once upon a time about the woman where her and her husband go wedding for Port Harcourt from Lagos here, where then they, and the time when they're supposed to begin to the go airport to go catch their flight, the wife will rush. She say he get one of his friend with the sew and cloth for Port Harcourt. He won't go check the woman. The husband tell her and say this is just 2 hours. 2 hours to the time where our flight go take off. In the next 30 minutes, we're supposed to go airport. Airport authority say be there 1 hour before time of takeoff. The wife say, just here now, I'm just going to room or waiting in call and there. Boom, the woman don't go. The husband begin to wait. Next thing where you know, flight of around of 6:30 p.m. in the evening, the husband say, this is to 5. Madam, start coming. He say, wait, they come now. They come. Husband call again 5:35 5:50 to 6. So they say they come, and the man say, oh yeah, now Oga leave him wife for reach airport and he dey so they begin is checking in goods in luggage. Madam never come, so they begin board plane. A wife never come. The thing want to cause quarrel when they come back Lagos because the husband leave his wife. She miss her own flight. Oga no gree follow her miss flight. She find her way come back on the carry face. 3 years ago, one of my friends been supposed to marry, and they did what they do in court. Their court marriage registry wedding. Now by 2 o'clock on Saturday, the guy they work for Abuja, and their wedding they happen for Jos, and the night before he go work on Friday. He's supposed to leave Jos early in the morning, as early as 6 or 5:30, so that he go make him and the girl when he want marry, they don't plan, discuss. She tell her say, honey, go and sleep so that you go fit, there's journey and we have this wedding. As soon as you enter Jos, now to bath, wear your coat, make we they go registry. My papa day, your mama day, and of course we don't arrange small wedding reception because then be no plan that they travel out. So that court wedding now the only thing what they do apart from paying a bride price. So reception day, food don't they, cake don't they, hall don't they. But this now some of the mistake where people where they do late they make. They believe say I can make it. Make I just go cook now. I go fit cook inside 30 minutes. Make I just go bath now. Make I just go meet that tailor. Make I adjust that cloth sharp before 20 minutes. And you don't know what you go meet for road. So now the time where would they think say small time day to use do another thing before that other appointment, and now they cause problem. So this guy decided to come out go drink that night, even go club, talking say after all, no be to wake up. I go just wake up, carry my bag, enter park. If I sit down for motor 3 hours to just, I go to sleep the whole sleep till we reach just, then I go bath, go my wedding. The guy don't drink plenty, come home around after 3. He wearing shoe, wearing jeans. He just stay for bed. He say no one sleep. He just wants to sit down small. Around 5, maybe they go motor park, And the next thing the guy just say, Kai, he just, in leg even day for ground. He just put his head for pillow small. Ladies and gentlemen, the guy wake up and look the time, and the time was after 3, some minutes after 3 o'clock in the afternoon of Saturday. In court wedding, suppose don't start by 2 p.m. for Jos. Ide Abuja by 3 o'clock. In phone day for ground, the phone don't vibrate tire. More than 37 missed calls. In wife to be don't call him plenty. The guy we signed their papers for court don't call him. In papa don't call him. In mama don't call him. In wife papa don't call him. In friends and the guy we supposed to do on best man they don't call him. Everybody they just him will be groom. They Abuja. Why? Now late. Now assuming say you go still make up. What you don't miss because you day late, make a follow on talk. Some miss flights, some miss their boss, some miss appointments. Somebody been supposed to see one of Nigeria's richest men because my late father friend, and they make a connection to come all the way from Abuja, make it consider the man. Somebody pay a flight, the man supposed to help him to give him work. So they say they want to introduce him to the man. Say this now that your friend, son, your friend don't die. I beg this boy and his mama they suffer. See in results, please just sign something. Give him complimentary card, may go your big company, may they employ him. One of him father old friend managed paying flight for them to come from Abuja to Lagos, and they're supposed to meet this billionaire before he go travel out to Dubai. Now for airport they're supposed to go block him. And this boy come Lagos here only for him to go late to go that appointment for airport. Your father friend say come and make an opportunity to get a job from a billionaire who had been be your father best friend before una lose contact after your father die. But the boy finally, when he's supposed to don't take off, take off on time. He still they look say, make I drink one more bottle, 2 more. I don't worry, I go still make them. Nothing. Then when you enter road, you can't see traffic tie rapper wear tie. All right, so tell me where to be your category and what to be your excuse. Group 1, always late. Anything at all, you dey late come. Group 2, sometimes you dey make come, sometimes you dey late. And group 3, now people will know they ever allow themselves to be late. My number is 0700951951951. I don't tell you about the people who be saying no matter what you do for them, they go day late. Some people they go morning mass and the mass now 9 o'clock. Then they reach there around 9:15, 9:20. Then they go late. Then you can't tell them to begin wake up by 4 a.m. or 5 to bath. They go bath, come begin cook, begin sew sweater, begin knit or do some little things. They go do them, can't still come up from house around 9, can't reach late. No matter how early they wake, they go still find a way to go late. There are some people believe saying now big manism, now fashion to go late. Now big man now they go something late. Poor man they quick go. So they go come the tea. They don't even finish what they do. They go somewhere, go sit down. They purposely wait to make the time late. So that when they enter, everybody go turn to see their fine clothes. So we know say lateness now don't turn to fashion. But make I pick your call. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, good afternoon. Welcome now. True Talk you day.
FM?
Yes, that was FM you day, so.
Hey, first time caller.
Wonderful something. God bless you. Chop puppy. Would they hear you, bros?
Yes, that issue that you are saying.
Okay.
Like me, I'm not the late for that kind of, once somebody coming for job, I'm sharp. Time before that time, I don't enter road.
Okay.
And I will be there in time before the president.
All right. Thank you. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, Chibo. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Noise. Plenty.
I don't come out there. I know they there.
Okay, will they hear you?
Do they hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Angoreka from Ijododo.
Welcome, Angoreka.
I know they ever late. They don't know me where they teach from a solo.
Yes.
I always go early.
How you they do them?
I did. You don't do my blood though. Okay. Right from when I live with my brother for Kano.
You be the kind person you don't mind to reach there, can't they wait?
I did live with my brother for Kano.
Okay.
So we get a restaurant.
Okay.
So now me they always wake up. So you don't do my blood.
Okay.
Even now I don't stop school. I see they wake up early.
Okay.
So that thing don't do my blood. When I leave school for private school where they teach, do you know this woman paid me my entitlement? Even she don't even want my commode because I'm the first teacher
to come
in the school every day by day.
Wow. God bless you, man.
She find it difficult to leave me, but only that she say, yes,
I beg
that you know,
that one now better quality for you to transfer.
You don't do my blood now. See the same thing.
Wow.
My God, the same thing.
Correct.
Yeah,
All right, I saw a message. Somebody said, I got you by my category now, number 1. I'll be Ezekiel from Songo Today. I like your show. God bless you, brotherly. Nothing do you. Somebody said, I got you by good evening, sir. I did do sometimes. I will feel relaxed that there's still time after I go late. Abaka from Ago Palace. Yes, so now they talk where they make some people late with that. They don't even prepare. Somebody could tell you, sir, nothing what they do for house. So just they look the time. You know, when you predict them, say, here go take me 30 minutes. From here to Aja Haba, highest 30 minutes. Then when you come out, Lagos traffic tell you, say, who sigh? Everywhere lock up. Your left leg will begin to shake. Somebody said, good afternoon. My own beside, I wake up early and I go still get to the venue late. I pray God help me. Joy from Festac Town. Joy, I know what they do you, your own diagnosis and symptoms. People they like you will be say when they wake up, they begin to find some things to do. I guess somebody like that will do my own house. Now me go tell her, say, go bath. You don't wake up saying so. Go bath. He first go bring out his shoe, clean them. Then he come they try in jeans. Then he come they check which polo he go wear. Then later he come go clean his wristwatch. Then later again you go see him go sit down the dress bed. Then later I want come go sweep and they look and say, go which one? Since when you wake up you never even achieve anything, you just they run around. Go and bath first. Bath first. You get how you go dress. They do not be say no now. So now what do they do? You be that some people say time day. Then the thing go later shock you. When they come back, make we enjoy this one. This one Amola Ray featuring Tenny. Call this one Odo.
Live tomorrow, no show.
Yeah. Oh no. I'ma get call my boo. Girl, my love for you now 100, but who's counting? Baby, who's counting? I don't care. Only you amongst them. They tickle my fancy. Girl, I need an answer. Oh.
Hallelujah, gbogbo ènìyàn.
Shout hallelujah, everybody.
Ọmọ ìgbàlà kí hallelujah dáadáa.
Shout hallelujah, everybody.
Injibuta, Emi Evangelist Ọba.
I, Evangelist King.
Pẹ̀lú Evangelist Black Amaru.
I, Evangelist Black Amaru.
Injibuta, afẹ́ bá yín sọ̀rọ̀. Eléyìí tó ń dùn ní lọ́kàn.
We really want to talk what is pain in our mind.
Ṣé ẹ rí Wazobia FM yìí?
You see this Wazobia FM.
Ẹ máa gbọ́ dáadáa.
Listen to it very well.
Ẹ máa gbọ́ kẹ́tún máa gbọ́.
Listen to it and listen to it.
Tẹ bá wà kọjá lẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ ò ní gbọ́.
And if you refuse to not hear it,
ẹ máa rí wèrè.
you're gonna see crazy.
Wazobia FM.
Chook mouth.
Okay, wait. I say no touch that time. Make you no touch. Make we sharply enter market. We dey come back. Make you no touch.
The winner is.
Are you ready for this?
Yo, wake up, Motherland, to electrifying performances at the 2021 All African Music Awards. Afrima. From November 19th to the 21st, 2021 at Eko Hotels, Lagos, Nigeria.
Featuring Africa Music Business Summit, a platform for business networking and interaction among music professionals.
Join Afrima Music Fest, an evening of non-stop music concerts with live broadcasts and performances from African music superstars. Date is Friday, November 19th from 6 p.m.
Sunday, November 21st comes with all the glitz and glam from Africa's music superstars, celebrities and international personalities at Afrima Awards Ceremony. Red carpets 4:30 p.m, awards 7:30 p.m.
All at the Hotels and Suites, Victoria Island, Lagos, Nigeria. For tickets and seat reservation, visit www.afrima.org. Brought to you by GoBet247.com.
Navadina Hair.
Address home. Afrima. Still we sing. For hope. For celebration.
Media partners, Cool FM, Wazobia FM, and Nigeria Info.
When you see better clothes, not to buy them. Cover body. Carry they do yanga. Carry they do shakara. Wazobia FM, now better radio station. Where they sweet everybody for body 24 hours of every day. So make sure say you hear from us anywhere for this Obodo world. We don't carry Wazobia FM put for App Store and iOS Store. This one not to make sure say we gum for your phone in case of incasity. Oh yeah, carry run. Carry waka go your App Store or iOS Store. Make you download Wazobia FM app sharp. Who no go no and who no sabi 95.1 Wazobia FM, your chook mouth station.
Chinedu, don't Don't worry, Ma. He'll be home on time, just like his dad.
Are you sure?
Yes, Ma. I'm cooking their favorite jollof with Sonia tomato mix. They are here.
Hey, is the jollof ready?
See? Right on time.
Your loved ones will always rush home for tasty meals prepared with Sonia tomato mix.
Mommy, the jollof is yummy.
I wouldn't miss this jollof for anything.
It's so good eating together with a family.
Yes, Ma. All thanks to Sonia.
Sonia tomato mix brings you together. Proudly Nigerian.
Hashtag My Culture, My Heritage. 3 days. 3 days of adventure. 3 days of the best Nigerian food, beverage, fashion, arts and crafts, cultural dances, and live music. And it's all going down at the 3rd edition of the All Nigerian Festival, Lagos 2021. With Sashino Peters, Il Bliss, Dija, Sunny Neji, Orishifemi, DJ Lambo, Terry G, and others. Date the 19th to the 21st of November. Venue, Muri Okola Park, Victoria Island, Lagos. Time, 12 noon daily. Tickets, 1,000 Naira flat. For corporate tables, call 0803-328-4988. Your host, the Lagos State Government. Sponsored by Eagle Aromatic Schnapps, LASA, LIRS, Studio 24, and Mikano. Media support by this station. Powered by Groove Time Entertainment. All COVID protocol will be observed. Maximum security guaranteed. All Nigerian Festival. A discovery for tourist destination.
Welcome back to your number one chook mouth station.
Oh yeah, make we go back to the chook mouth.
95.1
Wazobia FM.
Chook mouth.
95.1
Wazobia FM.
Jump live. Tomorrow no sure.
This your beauty na super. Now lucky no be a papa. You go make any paper cover. Paper cover. Oyima. Your charisma. 50 ton Casanova to love her. Oh. To love her. I don't juggle, she don't touch me, I don't follow. Where she go?
All right, so now so the matter be 49 minutes after 3 o'clock on top of your radio. My name now Chi-Boy, Radio Jagaban, one of Africa, man with the wear shoe before I wear socks. Only man with the rapper made there before I bath. Music when they play on top of your radio, this one I just come out from the packet. I come out from the carton and new baby this one. And of course, this now your guy, Dr. Dollar, and they call this one Notice. Notice the music.
Oh, Roma, yo. Na notice, oh. If you not tell me yes, if you not tell me yes.
All right, so will they check your messages? Will they talk about lateness? And will they ask you which category you fall inside? Number one, those where they everly late to everything at all. Nothing where they go on time, everybody don't know you. And number two, now people will be saying sometimes they think they happen like that, they make some, they miss some. Then number three, the people will be saying lie. Now then they reach there, they wait for other people. They don't mind to come, they inside their car, they wait. They don't mind to come, they inside the hall, they wait. You know, they go just there around, hang around somewhere. Some of them go even just cross road. Buy mineral there, buy more to sit down, they wait make other people come. The WhatsApp number is 080-9597-5808.
I'm in love.
Somebody said, Chibobo, you don't pick my life on top of this issue. Chibobo, since my life, I'm always I am always in whatever they do, to the extent then give me name as a late for my church. He's saying they always late for everything they do for in life. So they don't give a name. Now, I'm the king of late people for in church. He said the spirit of lateness sometimes, he said this thing they demonic. The spirit lead me to late marriage, struggling to have my own child because of later marriage. marriage. Sometimes it not be ordinary. Wow, I don't want to call my name. Thank you. I understand. So this listener, this person they try to talk, say this lateness of a thing is not a funny thing. No, say get another spirit with the inside to meet up opportunities, to meet up interview. Imagine as I tell you and say my guy did late to his own wedding. He no come. They don't day marriage, they don't day inside hall. The guy still there Abuja to just 3 hours, sometimes 2.5 hours. The guy just they wake up from hangover for afternoon. They hear people, the phone does the ring, kati. Fear no gree and pick 'em. Somebody say my own now sometimes OG from Parkview, that is you did group 2. Sometimes you they make us, sometimes you they late. Somebody said they late to work all the time. Rejoice from Shomolu. He said my lateness carry knife and gun, especially if my children go involved. The same mistake every Sunday, go church. The same mistake every Sunday, wake up by 7:30, you don't finish bath children on time, you want parboiled rice, you can end up going late to 9 a.m. mass. Next Sunday, you still wake up by 7:30, how you go try the same thing in different ways. You don't even do anything to reduce your time. Why not iron those clothes yesterday for night instead of this morning where you know say you go church? Always where the mistake they come from now, from when to put water for bath. You don't put bath water for fire. I never bath. Before you know, they be like magic. This one living water, make it boil. This one don't bath. How many don't bath? How many never bath? Where I put kettle for gas, make we put water. Before you know, the time remain 25 minutes. I know the late go event so that I don't go miss important things, but I find out Nigerian events usually no begin at the time where themselves talk. Unlike many where I don't go, you reach there, can't they wait like 45 minutes, 1 hour before they go start. Unlike one way I plan, say once them start 11 a.m. I go leave for another program 1 p.m. You fit believe by 1:30 them never even start the main event. I come out for there disappointed after wasting plenty fuel to reach there. So I hate to attend some event for Nigeria. Oscar, I feel you. I don't from Lagos go one wedding for Abuja, and I book flight, go come. I book the flight, say I go land Abuja by morning time. I follow 6:45 a.m. flight before 8:30. I don't day inside Abuja. I can't book another flight for 6 p.m. or 6:30 to bring me back to Lagos that same day. Now the mistake when I make. As me will be MC, I don't reason and say no matter. We will start our wedding reception around 1 because their mass was around 9:30. By 1 o'clock we go down to other photographs. Me will be MC now. Go down begin to bring in the bride and groom, make them dance jungle over enter. They shock me now. They say the bride and the groom, they go chop. The next thing they know, they pick up. Next thing they say the bride and the groom go change. By the time when they come back, they don't change from the cloth or the white gown when they wear go church. Before we go feast start, mother of the bride, the one can start her own party, her own women association groups where she want dance, but they can spray her like 30 minutes. Then they say the bride get a second attire when he want go change. Oh, blood of God. I dey hold microphone and they sweat inside AC. And they look my flight time just they go. What are you saying? 6:30 flight. And this is we here. 5 minutes after 6. I still day for inside of central area. I think that was around of oh God. All right, somebody say, I got you, but good afternoon, sir. I want to be say, are they late to sleep? Oh, I don't know what I go do. Michael from Alakbare bus stop. They tell us when we do small, early to bed, early to rise. So many people, they always go work and they know if you put in enough work, you go see them for office, they be like, who they suffer. Meanwhile, now assistant director be that. Sometimes when I drink, everyday drinking, everyday alcohol, you know, say that thing they come out something for body. There is hangover, there is headache, fatigue, body don't tire. You go follow this whole hold up again, then you go still go branch Mama and Kichi Bia Tavan. What do you suppose leave and take do enjoyment for weekend? You do them on a Tuesday, wait tomorrow and still Wednesday for work. Some people go get home and gist and watching film and not go let them to sleep at all. Even as we say Lagos hard, how can you do the whole hold up? Come home late, still later, no sleep on time. All right, so somebody said, Mr. Chiba, I just want to remind me of my sister back that time for secondary school. She did sleep early, wake up early, go to school after assembly. She never ever attend assembly for once, always late. Now she be principal. Now be small principal. Some people really get ready on time, begin the doing nothing, busy doing nothing until they finally go there late.